You just finished a 16-hour day. Your to-do list is conquered, your inbox is almost zero, and you're feeling productive. So you think I can survive on 5 hours of sleep? I'll be fine. But what if I told you that the second you finally close your eyes, the most critical maintenance shift of your entire day begins? And if you skip it, you're literally leaving toxic waste inside your skull. Welcome to your brain's after-dark operation. While you are finally off the clock, a hidden high-pressure cleaning crew clocks in. Scientists call it the glymphatic system. Think of it not as a gentle stream, but as a power washer, a biomechanical pressure washer that only operates after dark. And its target, the metabolic junk that your 80 billion brain cells produce while you're awake. This isn't just rest, this is active urgent cleanup. It's flushing out toxic proteins like beta-amyloid, the same junk that's been directly linked to Alzheimer's and other neurological diseases. This is your brain's essential, non-negotiable detox. So when you cut your sleep short, what happens? You cancel the cleanup crew. You leave the toxic waste to pile up. The next day, that's the brain fog. That's the inability to focus, the forgetfulness, the irritability. You're trying to run a high-performance supercomputer while it's clogged with its own garbage. And here's the scary part. This isn't just about one bad day. Research shows that chronic sleep deprivation means that garbage piles up year after year. It becomes a primary risk factor for devastating conditions down the line. Your brain doesn't get a backup system, so that extra hour of scrolling or that one more episode isn't just costing you energy. It's costing you literal brain cells. It's compromising your long-term cognitive health. Tonight, when you close your eyes, I want you to remember this. You are not just sleeping. You are activating your brain's most vital defense system. You are running the ultimate cleanup. You are preserving your memory, your focus, and your future self. Sleep is not a luxury. It's not optional. It is the foundation of everything your brain is and everything it will be. It is non-negotiable. Now go get your brain washed.